Morning, another day. So ngayon lang kami lumabas dahil di rin ako bumaba. Kumain lang ako sa room. And then punta kami ngayon sa I think papagas. Then after pagas kakain. And then after mag-stay na naman kami dun sa parking lot dun sa game until mag-open yung gate mamaya pang hapon. Or baka ride pa kami punta ng iba like mag-ice cream. Char. Baka maganon. So, yun muna, samahan nyo kami. We're going up to the gas station. Ayan, mapunta na kami doon. Samahan nyo naman kami. It's another day. Okay, please subscribe. Nagpagas na si Josawa. Ayan siya. Yung update ko this morning guys, wala kami masyadong ganap kasi sa bahay lang kami. Mula pagising namin umuulan, gloomy. Bin hanggang ngayon napaka-cloudy. So sabi ko, patay punta ng Malay baka umulan. So pangit yung weather kaya sa bahay lang kami nag-relax. So inintay niya lang ako naligo ako, sumalis na kami. So pupunta kami sa laro. Yan man update ko today. Anyway, watch my vlog sa ating mga new subscriber or watchers there, please subscribe and watch my vlogs. Thank you, I really appreciate. Please help me hanggang sa ma-reach natin 1,000 subscribers and malapit ko na din ma-reach yung ating 4,000 watch hours. So, thank you. God bless to everyone who is watching my videos. Yes, my love.
North Clinton.
We're going
at the light. Turn left onto North
for lunch and subs, eggy subs. Very neat and clean. And we have here our table. We have sandwich, everyday sandwich. I have everywhere, everything is big. Eat.
Good.
We have drinks, Jets combo. Very fresh. No any ketchup.
What?
Ketchup.
Ashford.
Ikaw lang kakain nito. Tataba ka talaga.
It's a family-owned business. What's all right?
Big. Going inside na kasi maaga mag-open yung gate. In Arena Expo Center or Allen County Coliseum. Pasok na kami. Na-check na yung aking bed. Everything is good. In the entrance, second floor. Pasok na kami sa loob. Yan yung kahapon. Ito, tingin tayo dito. Station ticket. It's all free. And this thing. What is a lot? I'm gonna get one.
What?
That's a lot.
There's yours.
Diba mga souvenirs namin. Libre lang yan, madami yun dito sa entrance. Comments!
Did you get this one?
Yeah, you put it here.
Here,
This light.
put it up. There you go. In case you wanted a couple extra, because this one's got the leaders on it. Okay, we got it. You got your your sticker book?
I put it in.
Okay.
You scared of me? Ang cute. Hello. It's cute. It's so cool. Lalakad siya. Oh. Hindi niya ako siya. Sa loob! Nakalabas na ulit sila. And then, that's the comets. The orange. Yesterday, parang red ba yun sila? Orange sila ngayon. Let's go, comets!
The first puck drop of the period is brought to you by It's Hockey Night in Fort Wayne.
Woo! Comets! They're gonna get score. Haha. They won last night. They're gonna be won tonight. Of course, we're the goalie. We're the goalie. Comets. Shout out the goalie.
It's
Shoot!
Brevity Live is proud to sponsor web-based trivia at commonstrivia.com. New questions every game.
Oh, look at this. Yeah. Sakit.
Rub it out. Ooh, other one. Right there. Loose. Hey, look at the parrot. They're crazy.
That's so intense. More, there was close in the front. You're gonna sit down there with that? Let's go, Comets! Let's go, Comets! Goalie! Comets! Woohoo! Got 1 point.
Fort Wayne, common goal in 17th of the season. Assisting on the goal, number 7, Josh Roll. Time to goal, 7 minutes, 9 seconds. Common goal scored by 41 Murray. Assist 7 Roll at 7:09.
Comets! Beat it, Comets! Achoo, come on! There you go! Woo! Oh! Need more? That's only one? Oh, sayang. Woo! Bibig ko talaga. May mouth.
Bloomington's 77 lead, 2 minutes tripping at 10:53 in the cup.
Gonna put it up there for the tip.
Yeah.
Center.
You got this, Yana. The goalie got this stick. Pull it.
Skip check.
Come on! Zuba, Zuba! More!
Was this the Burlington coach? Quick. Oh,
Shots offside. Stay outside before.
Did you finish your chips? Did you finish your drink?
I used full drink again
Wow.
before you go to the car.
Wow.
I didn't eat yet. Even little bit in the car once we
I
come
didn't
home.
mind it.
Yeah, it's yours.
Put it on the shoot right now.
Oh, wala na. There you go. I'm back here. Huli mo, huli mo, huli! Oh! Oh, what did you do? Ah!
The weapon's
Oh!
always hitting people.
Oh! Oh, don't hurt.
What is the Easter Bunny's favorite type of music? Hip hop.
And that was tonight's joke of the night on its fans. Check out SummitCityComedy.com for tickets to upcoming shows.
During each intermission tonight, tickets are available on
Drop him!
inside the building on ice level. Fans, we have an addition to the scoring on the Comet's second goal and assist to number 55, Harrison Reese.
What's that? There you go. About time.
Don't do that!
Receive a prize for the Hoosier Lottery.
Center.
1 minute
Ayun.
remaining in the first period. 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute na lang. Last period. First period pa lang. Next na second period na. Naka 2 points, 2 points na kami for the first period. Second period. Another game na naman. Second period na to. We have 2 points. Here the Comets and the Bison. Ay! Tumba sila dalawa. They really wanted to get score. Ilang minutes na lang, 13 minutes left. Third game na to, last na to. It's almost, we're gonna be winning.
Live. We have collected all the pucks that ended up in their bid during our Chuck a Puck games this season. We have 67 entries for this $15,000 kitchen remodel. All right, let's draw our winner here.
Kawawa naman. Si Hire, nag-jump eh. Hindi na nakatayo. Dude. We just lose, don't be like that. No, hindi na makatayo. No way! Oh, di pa sila tapos nag-aaway pa rin, oh. What's that? He wants to go in also. Gusto pa makisali, oh.
the overtime period, we head to a 3-round shootout. The A's rating. With 4 for a game total of 41.
Bloomington Bison. They lost. Last night they won. Comets,
But they're in the
what happened?
playoffs. The other team isn't. So
Yeah, but still, they're really good players, the Comets. Nakabilib. Kasi grabe, first time a lot of games I've been watching, but they're the only one like I enjoy. And then, for the 2 times overtime, I was like everyone gonna get score. Look at the sun. Beautiful. 8 na, pero tingnan nyo, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Beautiful. Alas 8 na ngayon, maliwanag pa.